Hey guys, welcome to our newest listing, 1606 Independence. I'm Ashley Pederson with Promo Realty. I'm excited about this new listing located in central Jefferson City. It is 4 bedrooms. On the main level, you're going to love the beautiful hardwood floors, great open kitchen. It's an eat-in kitchen. And out back, you have a nice deck that overlooks a private backyard. Downstairs, you have a 4th bedroom, and you have a nice family room down there as well. In the garage, there's a 2-car garage. There's actually a bonus room in the garage that's a perfect place for a workshop or more storage. So sit back and enjoy the tour.